ang tagal ko talagang hindi nag-shoot ng vlog, and I feel like super gulo ng buhay ko. Parang nag-pause siya na hindi ko maintindihan kung ano yung nangyayari. But, yeah, I have decided that vlogs are good for me to do an accountability posting.
So ayan, lumabas muna ako ng bahay to do some viewing on some new offices.
So it's just one building. There's the loading bay, there's the passenger lift. It is up to 10 stories. There are a few units. So 3 divisions of rooms here. What was the company here before? Ah, okay.
What landlord has for the plans, because we have some plans for, it's only the third room.
Okay. Hello mga be, ayan, nagtitingin-tingin tayo ng mga bagong units para sa bagong office. Waiting na lang sa Grab kasi pupunta na ako sa next destination.
Yeah, can you identify that song just for the instrumental portion? Let's see, this one here coming in from Eulalia.
Just a drop. This is the lift lobby. These are the mailboxes.
Sorry.
Spacious passenger lift. The passenger lift, and there's a cargo lift also. Okay, so after the lift, there's a door here, and the style is like the office is there, and then the parking is just outside. So we can put some signage there. Also, this wall signage, and this one can be removed. So there's this access from the reception area. Conference room or meeting room. Management room. Pantry area, sink, toilet.
Ayan, so kayo na lang humusga. Tignan nyo kung ano sa tingin nyo yung pipiliin naming office. Yung affordable or yung mahal. Well, kitang-kita naman kung alin din ang affordable at mahal, diba?
Ayan, so today, may lakad pa rin kahit Saturday. Halos everyday na ako maalis. And I feel grateful kasi may lakad kasi nasa bahay lang ako. Ay, nako, nakakabaliw, nakakaloka talaga. Tagal ko nang walang work and parang wala nangyayari sa buhay ko. Ano yung ganong feeling. So, at least ngayon, parang may mga inasikaso ako. A bit of paperworks. And ngayon kasi kailangan ayusin yung bagong office premises. So, ay, thank you Lord. May ginagawa pa din.
Oh my God, it feels surreal. I'm not here anymore.
Ay, bahay na ako. Pero, I'm craving for banana bread. Oh my God, saan ba ako makakakuha? Banana bread or banana muffin? Gusto ko ng banana. Ayan, so naisip ko, lalabas ako kasi gusto ko talaga ng banana cake or banana bread or banana muffin. And hindi ko ipagkakait sa sarili ko ang banana. So cute, the muffins. Bahay na ako and meron na ako banana muffin and banana cake. So, ayan, binigyan nga nila ako ng card for points daw. Tapos magkakaroon ng free na latte. But anyway, baker's well.
Pak, banana muffin. Sarap.
Grabe, craving satisfied to. So, ganito ako kumain ng muffin. Nauna mo ni ilalim, tapos huli yung taas. Hi mga Bed Health Pride Month din in support of the LGBTQ community. I-attend ako ng isa sa mga events nila here in Singapore. It's called the Queer Crafts na event by our friend Emma. And I'm so excited. Magandang chili kami dito though. I've never done that. I mean, except nung elementary, diba? Dahil may project. Ayun. Ayan, naglalagay ako ng kuko.
So, kita mo yung 0.5 mo. Wow. Ayan. So, there's a video. Ay, yung boto. Ay, ayoko ng ano.
Tapos Pilipino pa yan.
So, papunta na kami sa event. Sa Queer Craft event. Ready ka na? Best in TLE.
Yes, and TLE.
Magbibibo na naman.
I'm ready and I'm so excited.
So, ayan. Yan. Kasi hindi dumidikit yung hindi dumidikit sa damit. Yan. Best in TLE. We're doing some bracelets. Siyempre, di na namin tinry mag-ganchilyo kasi mas madaling gumawa ng bracelets. So, makikita nyo here, nakagawa na ako ng a few bracelets. I feel like lulugan ko pa to. Kasi masikap. So, pero gumagawa pa ako ng bagong bracelet and this bracelet is for Kay. Maraming stars because she's a star. So, titignan natin. If di nyo ma-appreciate, okay lang. Akin na lang. Well, mga be, hindi siya madali kapag wala kang table. Okay? So, uwian time na. Pero syempre, tambay muna kami sa Starbucks. Tignan mo yung spelling ng pangalan ko. E-B-B-Y.
Brightly Abby.
Syempre, di matatapos ang araw ng walang chismis. Chismisan muna.